You know, we don't have any platform to speak. So I thank God he gave me this platform today. Because there's only one governor in the state. There cannot be two governors in a state. So if he did not invite me here, I won't talk anywhere. I'll just go to my house and hide. Because I have done my own tenure, and my own tenure has come to an end. But let me also advise you. Drive this project by yourself. Don't sit in your office to say things are moving on well. No. Make sure it's a project, morning, evening, even Sundays. God will not penalize you that you didn't go to church on a Sunday. God knows that you are doing part of his work too, to make his people to be happy. Drive it by yourself. Not everybody in your cabinet will be happy with you on this project. Not everybody. If anybody does not carry out or does not put himself in your vision or mission, you show the person the way out. You show the person the way out. Because at the end of the day, it is you they will say that I failed, or it is you that will say that you passed. No decision comes easy. The decisions you take, people may not be happy about it, but you have to take the decision. That's what leadership is all about. Now, every Nigerian is watching this program because no state government has carried out such a humongous, ambitious project like this. And I thank God we changed our procurement law because we felt that the procurement law that the federal government had does not encourage contractors to do well. When you pay contractors 15%, 20%, by the time the contractor puts paper to pay, inflation, and then the contractor says, well, as at the time we quoted this job, cement was this, now cement is this. But what you have done, let me see the MD of Vijay last. There is no variation at all. Because anything that's remaining is a profit. But I told Jonas Berger, you've told them 3 years. I can assure you, Jonas Berger will not wait till that 3 years. I can assure you. And we'll go the quality of the job. And that's what is important for all of us. For all of us. 50.1 kilometers, 6 flyovers, and 1 bridge. We thank God Almighty that God gave us somebody who will not come like those. They've not entered power, you see the arrogance. Just the mere fact that they are the candidate, arrogance has come. Then when they're elected, not to talk about when they are being sworn in. See the governor we have, still very humble. Mr. Governor, let me also advise you. The people that elected you are in the state. They are not in Abuja. Stay in your state and face the challenges of your people. Don't allow them to lure you to be sleeping in Abuja, that there's one meeting or the other. Nothing comes out of those meetings. Stay in your state and develop your state. Nothing will give, they won't give you anything there. 2, our money is not to develop any political party. Our money is to develop our state. They'll be luring you because they think with rivers, money will come and one party or the other will grow. Mba. Fa. Mba. Our money is for development of River State. Stay here and work. You will feel happy. At the end of the day, Rivers people will appreciate you. And that is all you need in your life. God has blessed you. By bringing you to this level, nobody knew whom God will bless. It's not written on anybody's face. So I congratulate you for that chest that you have. That this project, I must do it. Some people are asking, I watched channel the other day. He said, oh, how would they pay? What is your own problem? What is your own problem? How would they pay? It's not their business. The bank knows that if they cannot pay, they will give the money. If bank knows they don't have the capacity, would they give you money? They won't give you money. But the way you have scheduled it, it's like it has been paid. Yes, it will affect the cash flow, but it is worth it. And that's what you have done. While we are coming, you told me that you have sent people to scoop the Elele to Omok Road, which you call Ikere Road. You have told me they should go and scoop. While we commissioned the first phase of Trans-Calabar Road, the one that leads to Oboroma and Aboniba. By the time you've done all these things, those of you who are natural election runners, every time you want to run, give yourself small respect now. Do you understand me? Give yourself small respect. By the time this project finishes, let me see whether you have some mental problem that you say you want to run for governorship election. So you have prepared yourself. Carry, go. Carry, go. On this note, let me invite our dear leaders to join us as we happily flag off this very important Port-Harcourt Ring Road to the glory of God. Thank you and God bless you.
The national anthem.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.